Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. MDI will be holding a reading competition from 25th September until 4th October 2021. This is Category A for Year 1 and Year 2. There will be 3 levels for Category A: dolphin, shark, and whale. The whale level will bring the highest mark. These are the reading levels for Category A. Before we practice, here are some to-do lists to keep you on track. First, listen to the story. Choose whether you like dolphin, shark, or whale best. You can choose either one. After you have chosen your story, you need to practice. Practice makes perfect. Then, ask your parents to record your video once you're confident enough. Don't forget to send your video to your teacher before 4th of October 2021. Now, are you ready? Recite Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My cat. I have a cat. My cat is fat. I have a fat cat. Her name is Chomel. I love my fat cat Chomel. Early morning. Mimi wakes up early every morning. She wakes up at 6 o'clock. She gets ready for school. She drinks milk for breakfast. Then she goes to school by bus. My mom is the best. My mom is very kind and beautiful. She has long black hair. Her eyes are big and she has a nice smile. She helps me with my homework. She usually reads Quran before bed. She loves me very much. She gives the best hug. I like to help my mom do the dishes. I love my mom because she is the best. Have you choose your story? Don't forget to practice. Send your video to your teacher. Do you remember your English teacher? Good luck and all the best. Goodbye.